Hi, do you know how to invert conditionals in English? First conditional. If he studies hard, he will pass the exam. Now what should we do? Replace if with should and use the bare infinitive form of the verb. So the inverted sentence is, should he study hard, he will pass the exam. Okay, second conditional. Example, if I had a lot of money, I would buy a big house. Replace if with were and use the infinitive with to. So if I had a lot of money becomes were I to have a lot of money, I would buy a big house. And third conditional, if I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. What should we do? Delete if and invert the subject and the auxiliary verb. So if I had becomes had I. If I had studied, had I studied. Now, can you give an example with inverted conditionals? Thank you for watching. Take care.